often used to get scared and overwhelmed at the idea of decluttering my room. Mainly because I liked keeping things just in case I would need them sometime in the future. But now I've learned to overcome this habit of cluttering and hoarding my room, and now I'm very happy about it. It's strange how you find interesting things when you start to declutter your room, your closet, your drawer, and sometimes it makes you laugh, sometimes it makes you ponder over different things, and sometimes it brings back lots of memories. Finding sentimental clutter can bring back memories and remind us to get in touch with lost friends or family. Try to downsize it by removing these items where you no longer have a strong connection to. You can also take a picture and save it for remembrance. These were the hotel washroom essentials that we got from our last trip to Skardu. I was wondering why we still have these. I bought this jewelry organizer last month, and it is very helpful in organizing things and keeps my jewelry intact, and I know what to wear and when. This is sort of jewelry and makeup organizer, and I think having one within your room or your dressing table helps to declutter the small teeny weeny bits to a great extent. When I was getting my furniture made, I had specifically asked for these dividers to be there in my drawers, and I think this has helped me to be organized to a great extent. The goal of clearing clutter isn't to keep on to our past, but reflect on it and make room for the future. So this was my decluttering activity, and I hope I've motivated you as well. Happy cleaning and happy day.